Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your frozen screen on your Motorola phone. So if your screen freezes at any point in time, just hold down the power button and the volume down key right here. And this is going to force your phone to restart. So if you just hold these down, your screen should go off and then your phone should restart. So you can just leave this now to the side and then your phone should just start up like normal, just like that. Now if it still doesn't work after that, well, you can hold down the two buttons again, wait for the screen to turn off again, and then you can launch it into the recovery mode. So when the screen goes up, I'm just going to let go and press those two buttons down again, and then go on over to recovery mode, press the power button, and if it says like no command or something like that, hold down the power button and the volume up key. Alright, I'm just going to press that and then go down to wipe data and factory reset. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.